Welcome back to another episode of Backpacker Meals, and we're out here in Cali, Colombia. And today we will be preparing a dish with maize. I find it very interesting when I travel to all these different countries. They use the same grains, some of them different grains, but they use these different grains and prepare them differently. So in Zimbabwe, they make sadza with their maize, and it's absolutely delicious. And over here in Colombia, we make arepas. So here are the ingredients you will be needing. We have maize, pre-cooked. Government milk, sponsored and subsidized by the government. Optional cheese. Got some virgin extra olive oil. We have an avocado to put some stuff on the arepa. And finally, some eggs. Hey, juggling them eggs. Hey. It's actually, it's pretty chill. Oh, who wants some scrambled eggs? Oh. Fuck. So, really quick, really efficient backpacker meals. We are here to make things happen quickly, efficient. Every day I'm eating arepas, and I absolutely love it. Every place I go, I eat differently. My diet changes. This is just good. This is just good. So let's begin. It's very simple. Get yourself a bowl, and then you add the water. Very important to add the water first. A cup of maize for every cup of water. And you take your maize and you put it in. And then from here you could add some salt. So you add salt. First you need to find the salt. Add some salt. Add your cheese, or whatever you want to add to it. So I'm Joe from the future. A few days into the future, but wiser Joe nonetheless. And I really just brushed over this phrase, but I really meant it. Put whatever you want in your arepa. Be creative, because the delicious sustenance that you can munder, conder, and funder is absolutely amazing. So for example, fry up some bananas, raisins, walnuts, throw in some oats, even throw some of this 100% cacao. Cook up those arepas and boom, then to throw some strawberries, blueberries, ice cream, a little bit of honey on top. Oh, this is one way to make an arepa of all the thousands of ways you can. So let's get back to Past Joe and continue with our regular scheduled programming. Peace. Take said cheese, grade the cheese. Grade. Why doesn't grade? Mix it all together. So I'll show you close up. So here you want to mix the cheese and the maize. This is gonna be delicious. I love arepas. Every country's different. Tapioca in Brazil, arepas here, sadza in Zimbabwe. It's amazing. I love eating, I love traveling. I love eating and traveling. I love going to the supermarket and figuring out what should I make. Next step, let's turn on the stove. Take your olive oil. Whew, smells like that. Okay. So usually you want to have an arepa maker. That's optimal conditions. But we don't usually live in optimal conditions. We make a plan, and we don't have one. So we use our hands. So we take our maize creation, and we just make our own arepa. Easy. And they come out like little pancakes. And you put it on. Ho! And now you're gonna wait about 5 minutes per side, and then you do a little flipperuno. So then you look at your arepas and you're like, wow, these are amazing. Give them a nice little flip, couple flips. Get this flame, whoo, nice and high. Yeah, get those flips going. And then you're gonna wanna put them onto a plate. Gonna add the eggies. Salt is the seasoning, guys, but don't add too much. And then add some pepper. And then don't forget to use your other hand to do the pepper as well to maintain balance. Voila. There she is. Isn't she a beauty? And here we are. Have this amazing breakfast. And bon appetit. We have our coffee. And we have ourselves a granadilla. These are amazing. Oh, yes. Look at that. Sweet juice. Mmm. So yeah, bon appetit. Buen provecho. Let's try these arepas. It's good. It's good. And then we eat. So we have energy. Mmm. 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 This is delicious. Also remember, switch hands every once in a while. It's gonna feel a little awkward, but it's fine. You know, you just go like that. A little awkward. Ooh, the nice cheesy goodness. So you can see the cheese. A little bit of eggs there, okay. Mmm. 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 That is good. Well, that's it for today. Backpacker meals. Let me know. What should I make next? On Backpacker Meals with your host, Joe Baldus. Peace. Mmm. Mmm.